or not, tomorrow we enter the 9th week of our worship series, All My Days, where we've been learning each week the meaning of our new prayer beads. Each week we've been singing the short chant, O Lord, hear my prayer. The words that we've sung each week are, O Lord, hear my prayer. O Lord, hear my prayer. When I call, answer me. O Lord, hear my prayer. O Lord, hear my prayer. Come and listen to me. Pastor Gail often tells us that this chant comes from the Taizé community. That's spelled T-A-I-Z-E. And it's an ecumenical monastic order in Taizé, which is in Burgundy, France, which sounds like good music and good wine to me. The music of Taizé emphasizes just simple phrases, short snippets from either scripture, usually from the Psalms, or sometimes other things. These phrases are repeated many times and sometimes also sung in canon. Canon is a fancy, schmancy musical term for round, like Row, Row, Row Your Boat is sung in a round, or Three Blind Mice is sung in a round. Now, when we meditate, we often have mantras that we speak slowly over and over. These permeate into us and hopefully have the effect of positive thinking and changing in behavior. The same thing is supposed to be true of these chants. Now, some of my favorite mantras have included, no one can steal your joy. That was an important one to me for a while. And then happiness is a choice, not a condition. And I choose happiness. And then there's my favorite, try not, do or do not. There is no try. Which you may know was spoken by the wisest of all sages, Master Yoda, in the Star Wars series. Well, have you ever meditated? Have you ever meditated this way with short mantras? My challenge to you this week is to breathe in and out through your mouth, in and out through your nose, and say over and over to yourself a scripture you find centering or a mantra that really moves you to change positively. I'm going to end by playing the music to O Lord, Hear My Prayer for you for a little while. And you're welcome to meditate to this now or later, or just listen.